Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sarah John. Let me ask you a simple question. When someone asks you, "How are you?" do you always reply, "I'm fine"? If your answer is yes, you're making the same mistake that millions of English learners make every single day. Now, don't get me wrong. "I'm fine" is not incorrect. It's grammatically correct. But here's the problem. Native English speakers rarely keep repeating the same answer. They use different expressions, depending on how they actually feel. And that's exactly what makes their English sound natural. In today's lesson, you're going to learn 15 better responses that native English speakers use in real conversations. And here's my challenge for you. Don't just watch this lesson. Choose at least one new expression and use it in a real conversation today. By the end of this video, you'll never have to answer, "I'm fine," the same way again. So, let's get started. Expression number 1. I'm fine. Say, "I'm doing great." This expression sounds positive, friendly, and confident. For example, "Hi Sarah, how are you today?" "I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?" Notice how natural that sounds. Now let's move to expression number 2. I'm fine. Try saying, "I'm doing really well." This expression is perfect when everything in your life is going smoothly. For example, "How have you been lately?" "I've been doing really well. Work has been busy, but I'm enjoying it." Can you hear the difference? It sounds more like a real conversation. Now here's a quick question for you. If I ask, "How are you today?" which answer sounds more natural? "I'm fine," or "I'm doing really well"? Think about it. I'll give you the answer right after the next expression. The correct answer is, "I'm doing really well." Why? Because it sounds more natural, more conversational, and it's something native English speakers say every day. Now, let's continue. Expression number 3. I'm fine. Try saying, "I'm pretty good." This is one of the most common responses in everyday English. For example, "Hey Sarah, how are you?" "I'm pretty good. How about you?" It's simple, friendly, and very natural. Expression number 4. I'm fine. Say, "I'm doing fantastic." Use this expression when you're feeling really happy. For example, "How's your day going?" "I'm doing fantastic. I just got some great news." Notice the difference. This answer sounds full of energy. Expression number 5. I'm fine. Say, "I couldn't be better." This means everything is going extremely well. For example, "How are things these days?" "I couldn't be better. Everything is going exactly as planned." This expression sounds confident and very natural. Quick challenge. If you won your dream job today, which response would you choose? "I'm fine," "I'm doing fantastic," or "I couldn't be better"? Think about your answer. Native speakers choose different expressions based on the situation, and that's what makes their English sound fluent. Expression number 6. I'm fine. Say, "I'm feeling great." This expression focuses on how you feel physically or emotionally. For example, how are you feeling today? I'm feeling great. I finally got enough sleep last night. Expression number 7. I'm fine. Say, I'm doing okay. Use this expression when things are neither great nor bad. For example, how have you been? I'm doing okay. Just a little busy these days. This sounds honest and natural. Before we continue, if these lessons are helping you speak English more confidently, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Every week, we learn practical English that you can use in real life. Now, let's move on, because the next expressions are even more natural, and one of them is used by native speakers almost every single day. Welcome back. Now it's time to learn the final expressions. These are some of the most natural responses that native English speakers use every day. Expression number 8. I'm fine. Say, I'm doing awesome. This expression is informal, friendly, and full of positive energy. For example, hey Sarah, how are you today? I'm doing awesome. Thanks for asking. Expression number 9. I'm fine. Say, life is good. Native speakers often use this when they feel relaxed and everything is going well. For example, how's everything going? Life is good. I really can't complain. Expression number 10. I'm fine. Say, I've been better. Be careful with this expression. It doesn't mean you're fine. It means you're having a difficult day. For example, how are you today? I've been better. It's been a long day at work. Expression number 11. I'm fine. Say, I'm hanging in there. This expression means you're dealing with challenges, but you're staying strong. For example, how have you been? I'm hanging in there. Things are getting better every day. Expression number 12. I'm fine. Say, I'm feeling wonderful. This is perfect when you're feeling happy and grateful. For example, how are you this morning? I'm feeling wonderful. It's a beautiful day. Expression number 13. I'm fine. Say, everything's going well. This is a great response when someone asks about your work, your studies, or your life. For example, how's work going? Everything's going well. I'm learning something new every day. Expression number 14. I'm fine. Say, I'm doing much better. Use this expression when you've recovered from a problem or a difficult situation. For example, how are you feeling now? I'm doing much better. Thank you for asking. Expression number 15. I'm fine. Say, never better. This is a short and confident expression. It means you're feeling excellent. For example, hi Sarah. How are you today? Never better. Ready to start the day. Today you learned 15 natural alternatives to the expression I'm fine. The next time someone asks, how are you? Don't give the same answer every single time. Choose the expression that matches how you really feel. That's exactly how native English speakers communicate. And before you leave, write your favorite expression in the comments below. I'd love to know which one you are going to use first. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video. And if you want to sound more natural in English, subscribe to the channel. Because every week, we learn practical English that you can use in real conversations. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Sarah John. I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care, and keep practicing your English every single day.